In this video, what I'm going to do is go over a set of kind of work slash farming fishing boots from the company, Hunthor. Let's just open them up here and show you what you get. I'll open them up and kind of show you. This is how they came. They came packaged with these little like inflatable things right here. So just going over the boot here, let me show you the tread on the bottom. It has a steel shank in the middle, and that steel shank kind of adds stability throughout the heel there and the instep. It has this tread on here that's great for gardening, like a bigger type outsole that has the cleats on it. Those get mud trapped in there. These will not. These wash out very easy. It's a non-slip outer sole. They're 100% waterproof. They've got neoprene up here. This is what I would consider a mid-calf. So they have a kick tab in the back, and I got these in a size 9, and I felt like they run a little larger. So I've had other Hunthor boots, and they felt like they fit perfectly true to size. My toe comes to about right here in these, and I think it's just because of the way they've designed this boot with more of a point up here. But the main thing that I got these for was fishing, kicking around the river, jumping in and out of the water, kind of walking around on wet rocks, and something I don't have to worry about like slipping with, and maybe mowing the yard and doing things around the house and stuff like that. But this is something I highly recommend for anyone that needs a good kind of like farming, gardening, slash fishing, hunting boot. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Hunthor mid-calf work boot. See y'all in the next video.